I want to do my best Porg impression for you. Oh. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and there is a new Star Wars movie coming out called Solo, a Star Wars story. And you guys know what that means. It's Star Wars hacks, but not just any Star Wars hacks. They're all about porgs. They're like cute little fluffy birds, kind of, that are in like The Last Jedi. They are so cute, I can't even. But most importantly, there is a new episode of Robot Runway out tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. And it's hosted by one of my really good friends, Ruby Rails. It premiered last week, and there's a Star Wars themed episode going on right there. So check it out tomorrow. But yeah, let's Porg your world. For our first Porg hack, we have Porg Marshmallows. Look at the cuteness. And you know, like, I'm so extra that I made homemade marshmallow, but obviously they're not like practical, but they're definitely for that Insta pic, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go full throttle right now. Taking our cute little Porg. Look at his face. Look at that little guy, he's so cute. And he's completely edible, so that's really cool. Okay, we're just gonna set him, and he floats. That was so bad. For this DIY, you'll need a piping bag, candy thermometer, wax paper, unflavored gelatin, cornstarch, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, sanding sugar, sprinkles, icing, candy melts, and a picture of a Porg. First, melt your candy melts. Now let's trace the Porg's feet. In a mixing bowl, blend gelatin in 1/3 cup of cold water and let that sit. Mix 1/4 of water with sugar, corn syrup, and a pinch of salt. Heat on medium until the sugar has melted. Then raise the heat to high until the thermometer reads 240. Set the mixer to low and pour the mixture into the gelatin. Gradually increase the speed for about 8 to 10 minutes until stiff peaks appear. Then add vanilla. Time to bring your little buddies to life. Let them dry for at least 7 hours before you add the finishing touches. Ta-da! Porg appetit! It's a Porg party! I want to do like a taste test. Which one should I do? I'm gonna do this one, sorry. He's like the chubbiest, so I'm gonna like eat him first, you know? I don't want to decapitate him. Oh, I'll eat his wing. Other than all the rock sprinkles, the marshmallow is pretty good. High five me. For our next hack, we have a Porg costume. Look at this, look at this. So originally I was only gonna do the Porg hat. I did the Porg hat. Look at the cuteness. This isn't enough. I need a costume. So I made little feet. Look at it, little feet. And then I had some like tan leggings. I just took a gray shirt, put some felt on it. Super easy, gonna be completely honest. Porgs are not that hard to recreate. Halloween, am I right? Even though Halloween's pretty far away. But, Porg hat! Everybody loves Porgs, but now everyone's gonna wanna like be a Porg. It's a lifestyle. For this DIY, you'll need hot glue, a long sleeve shirt, felt, and tights. First, trace the seam outline of the shirt. Now make a template with your cardboard. Fold in half and round the top off with scissors. Draw a bell shape and cut it out. Then with the cardboard template, cut out the white felt. Time to make that cute little face. make the feet. All done. Let's camp out at the movie premiere. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. I'm mentally insane. Do it for the YouTube, you know what I'm saying? And for the next hack, we have Porg Nesting Dolls. Just look how cute this is. I haven't seen a nesting doll since I was literally a fetus. I feel like we're bringing it back with a Porg. Old nesting dolls are creepy. This is adorable. Okay, here's the big guy. Here's the big mama. And then this little guy. If you guys don't know what nesting dolls are, it's like just smaller dolls within a doll. They're known as like Russian nesting dolls, but you know, like the Russians actually copied the Japanese and the Japanese actually copied the Chinese. So these are technically Chinese nesting dolls, and then America copied Russia. Wow, it's a global idea. Okay, now, oh, it's getting cuter. And then look at this little guy. Look how small he is. It's a baby. Look how little. For this DIY, you'll need wooden nesting dolls, paint, black glitter glue, and acrylic spray sealer. First, paint the Porg's tummy white. Now, paint 2 yellow circles on the side of the head. That's where the eyes go. Paint the white part of the eyes and let that dry. Add drops of black glitter glue to the center of the eyes. Oh my gosh, look at this cuteness. And it's so flippin' cute. I can't. I love you. And that is it for today's Porgisode. I love that word. Comment down below what your favorite was. Mine was definitely the nesting dolls. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday and Saturday, because Robot Runway, don't forget to check out their Star Wars themed episode. That was a lot of words. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Sarah, RC, and Games. You guys are literally the best. Keep commenting down below if you guys want to be featured in my next video. It was like anything you want to say. Like, you might be featured if you say, like, I like pandas. That's it. GoldieBlox and the Porgisons signing off.